Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching me on Bloom Sponge. Today I am here with 3 delicious popsicles. I know it's off season. Sometimes going offbeat is fun. So the first one is plum. I'm just chopping a plum and keeping few pieces of finely chopped plum aside first. So after that, to the rest of the pieces, I'm just taking a vessel and just transferring it to that. After that, I'm adding just 3 to 4 spoons of sugar for one plum. So just keep it on the stove top in very low flame and just stir it so that sugar gets caramelized. This is the result, and just grind it. You'll get puree. I'll just now dilute this puree by adding some water. Now, since it is difficult to mix in that bowl, just I'm transferring it to a glass so that I can mix it well. Mix and mix. Here is the popsicle molds which I got it from IKEA. To that, just I'll add these pieces of plum which I kept initially aside. After that, I'm adding this diluted puree to the molds. After that, I'll close the lid. For the second one, it is the combination of kiwi and lemon. So first I'll chop the kiwi into fine pieces and squeeze the lemon into juice. I'll take some water and just add 2 to 3 spoons of sugar. To that, I'll add little bit of salt. Here I am using Himalayan pink salt to cut that sourness of lemon. Here I am adding more lemon, but you can reduce it to 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of lemon juice. You don't need that much lemon here. After mixing, again I am taking these molds. I'll just add this finely chopped kiwi to this mold first. Then I'll pour this lemon water. And close the lid. For the third variation, I'm taking combination of orange and lemon and just chopping the orange pieces. And again, I'm taking some water and adding 2 to 3 spoons of sugar. I'm adding little bit of Himalayan pink salt. You can add normal salt, table salt. To that, I'm adding lemon juice. Here also I'm adding little bit more. So you can reduce this to 1 spoon or 1.5 spoon. Just mix it so that sugar and salt can be diluted. I'm taking molds again and adding these orange pieces to this mold. And fill the rest with lemon juice. Now keep it in the freezer for overnight. So here are the 3 delicious popsicles. Hope you enjoyed it. Try it at your home and please give me comments. This is Pratyusha signing off.